And joining us now is Penny Nance, President and CEO of Concerned Women for America. Penny, welcome. Good to have you with us tonight. So you heard Lindsey Graham, or we mentioned Lindsey Graham. He said he's a no, likely no, on Jackson. This is a quote. He says her nomination means the radical left has won President Biden over yet again. Do you agree with that? And how would Jackson stack up to others on the court in terms of political ideology?
Well, the truth is that Ketanji Brown Jackson is a very smart woman, a very accomplished woman, but the problem is that she's an activist. We have her history already in front of us. People have really started to dig into her record now. And we know that she has worked along with the abortion left, NARAL and others in order to write briefs, to write amicus briefs on their behalf that encourage the discrimination against pro-life views. We know that she, as a judge, restored funding for Planned Parenthood and 81 programs. So we have her record. What Concerned Women for America has said is that Republicans need to do their job. They've got to meet with her. They've got to look at her record. They've got to go through the committee process. And we have strongly always urged there to be justices confirmed that believed in the Constitution. KBJ refused to say whether she believed in a living Constitution, which means the living Constitution means it's code for whatever I want it to say is what it says, right? And so, you know, we have deep concerns about her. Again, she's a very bright woman, but she's an activist, and we hope that Republicans will give her her day, but also ask the tough questions and actually look into what she's done and said.
Penny, on the topic of abortion, there's a new discussion about to what degree the Texas Heartbeat Act has contributed to a decline in abortion in that state. Going forward, and especially if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, what's the best way for states to encourage women to choose life over abortion?
Well, I would point to not just the heartbeat bill, but also the fact that Texas funded $100 million in abortion alternatives. It's not just about the law. It's about giving women other choices, better choices, and supporting them in the idea of keeping their babies, of actually carrying their babies to term, and then either parenting or placing for the hundreds of thousands of parents who are waiting for babies and want to adopt. At Concerned Women for America, we have been saying to anyone that will listen that now's the time for something we're calling life.gov. We need one central place that HHS puts together using the hundreds of millions of dollars that have available of taxpayer funds, repurposing some of the $500 million that Planned Parenthood gets of taxpayer money every year, or completely reprogramming, and giving women all over this country at their fingertips the opportunity to know what their options are, to know what the alternatives are. Everything from legal help to housing to all the private and public opportunities that are alternatives to abortion.
Right. All right, Penny Nance, we are out of time, unfortunately. Next time, we do want to talk to you about your Faith Month that Concerned Women for America is proposing.
That sounds
Penny
great.
Nance, Penny Nance, Concerned Women for America, thank you so much. Good to see you.